preview of summer this week, and we have a lot of summer ahead. At least we don't have temperatures in the lower 90s, so we're not quite there. But again, a lot of the players for our summer forecast are there this week, especially the warmth, the humidity, some cloud cover, and then also the chance for rain. And of course, the south winds that have been helping to keep our humidity up through the weekend. Right now, we're sitting, most of us, around 80 degrees or lower 80s, and I'm expecting about 85 for the high today. Would be just 2 degrees above average for this point in the year. Rain chance again near 40 to 50%. We're seeing a little bit of rain starting to move in on radar. Most of us still just looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, but I was pointing out a few showers around Kentwood, not far from Franklinton as well. And then off to the west of us, approaching Baton Rouge now, there is a batch of some light to moderate rain here. A little disturbance kicking up this shower and not quite storm activity, it looks like, but we might see a couple of isolated storms along with a few showers later this afternoon. You can see those clouds filling in, especially from the west. Now here's our high resolution model. It's actually doing okay at picking up where the rain is right now and keeping it on the lighter side. We'll fast forward through this afternoon to 4 p.m. and this model does have a couple of storms, a few scattered showers. We'll fast forward to about 6 and 7 and there might still be a bit of rain for the evening, likely calming down after that. However, this model does want to keep a little bit of rain here as we approach midnight. So we will see tonight about a 20 to 30 or so % chance for a few showers or an isolated storm. Now this is tomorrow morning. Fast forward through the day tomorrow to the afternoon and same thing, a couple of showers and storms, although I think the rain chance tomorrow will overall be a little bit lower than what we have today. Today, 40% chance of rain. That is almost average for the summertime. So that's going to be the trend this week. Warm and humid, spotty to scattered showers and a couple storms with those south winds continuing up to about 10 miles per hour. Tonight, still a slight chance, like the model was hinting at, for a little bit of isolated rain, mild and humid with lows north and south of the lake, around 70 degrees. Now looking at our dew point, this is our humidity. This is a way to measure humidity over the next 7 days. We're staying in the pretty humid kind of range. It's actually not at summer-like kind of humidity levels, but it's also not nice, dry, super low humidity kind of feeling levels either. This is our upper pattern with high pressure just to our south. So we're looking for that warm, humid setup with spotty showers around the high, continuing with south winds. And again, around the high off to the north, we could see a few showers and storms moving in, although generally if you're just beneath the high pressure, that tends to dry you out and keep fewer chances for rain or lower chances for rain. Now into this weekend, we start to see it building a bit more into the southeast. So that will ensure a continued warm to maybe even hot kind of forecast with the humidity continuing and maybe some isolated rain for this weekend. Now, how much rain are we talking about? Well, our rainfall forecast, this is over the next 7 days. Looks like maybe a ½ inch to an inch. I think most of us will likely get below an inch, but we're almost getting to that summertime setup where any individual storm that pops up could be maybe on the heavier side, not quite at that full force kind of heavy downpour setup like we see in the summer afternoons. But again, we'll see some rain scattered about in the afternoons, and that will be the trend really through this whole week. I dropped the rain chance a little bit tomorrow to 30%, a little less likely to see the rain on Wednesday, although isolated rain still possible. And then Thursday, it's back to about 40%, just looking at some model trends with some subtle differences day to day. Friday into the weekend, our rain chances return to about 20 to 30%. So overall, yes, a little bit summer-like for sure, but at least we're not soaring into the lower or middle 90s just yet. Of course, that's to come. Mike.